Welcome back to Ebonyi People TV. Today we are diving into a question a lot of people ask. Between Enugu and Ebonyi State, which state offers a better quality of life? Now, without being biased, we are breaking it down across key factors like infrastructure, job opportunities, housing, security, education, and even healthcare. Okay, number one, cost of living and housing. Enugu State tends to have higher living costs, especially in Enugu City, which has grown as a metropolitan hub. Housing options range from luxury apartments to modest homes, but prices are generally higher here due to increased demand. Moving to Ebonyi State, particularly in Abakaliki, offers a more affordable cost of living. Rent and daily expenses are lower, making it a popular choice for those seeking budget-friendly living while still enjoying a growing urban environment. 2. Employment and economic opportunities. Enugu is a hub for trade, education, and public service jobs and has a more diversified economy, including opportunities in government sectors and private enterprises. Additionally, the Enugu state government is actively promoting IT and tech sectors to attract young professionals, while in Ebonyi State, it is traditionally more agriculturally focused. And under recent leadership, there's been a big push for economic diversification. Initiatives like the state's mining industry, particularly in lead, limestone, and zinc, is also growing, bringing jobs to local economies. 3. Infrastructure and transportation. Enugu State has well-developed road networks now, all thanks to Pitamba, and access to an international airport, which is the Akano Ibiam International Airport, which facilitates travel and trade. The city is also well connected by rail. While in Ebonyi State, particularly under Governor David Umahi, has seen a transformation in infrastructure. Roads across Ebonyi State have been renovated, and new projects like bridges and industrial clusters are underway, aiming to boost connectivity within the state and beyond. However, the absence of an inactive international airport means longer travel times for international travel. 4. Security. Enugu State maintains relative stability and security, with various government measures in place to protect residents and businesses. Ebonyi State is often noted as one of the more peaceful states in the region. Efforts like the establishment of the neighborhood security help ensure community safety. The governor has also implemented successful conflict resolution efforts in areas like Izulo, promoting lasting peace in the region. And there is education, healthcare, and of course, quality of life and lifestyle. Enugu State offers a cosmopolitan lifestyle with shopping centers, entertainment, sports, and various cultural activities, making it ideal for those seeking a modern urban lifestyle. It's also known for a rich cultural scene and nightlife, giving residents a blend of tradition and modernity. While in Ebonyi State, it provides a more laid-back lifestyle focused on community and nature, with its growing industrial projects and serene environment. Ebonyi State is an attractive option for those looking to escape the bustle while still enjoying urban conveniences in Abakaliki. Choosing between Enugu and Ebonyi State really depends on what you prioritize. Enugu is great if you're looking for a bustling city with diverse job opportunities and vibrant nightlife. However, if affordability, peace, and growing local industries are your priority, Ebonyi State might be the best place just for you. Both states have unique qualities that make them appealing, and they are both making strides in development. Drop a comment below with which state you think offers the best quality of life and why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into life in Southeast Nigeria.